Prashant. Today I am going to start with the next topic of this chapter, that is called as seconds pendulum. Now what is seconds pendulum? It is simple pendulum only. A simple pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. A simple pendulum whose time period is what? 2 seconds is called as seconds pendulum. Now write here what exactly is seconds pendulum. Write here a simple pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. Simple pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds is called as seconds pendulum. Now we know that in general time period of simple pendulum is given by t is equal to 2 pi root of L upon g. L is called effective length, g is the acceleration due to gravity. Now for seconds pendulum, your t comes out to be 2 seconds. So I can write here therefore this is 2 is equal to 2 pi root of L upon g. This 2 cancel. So right here 1 is equal to pi root of L upon g. Right? Now here we can write squaring both the sides. What we will get here 1 is equal to pi square. Square root निकल गया, it is L upon g. So I can write here therefore L is equal to, just take this g to this side, g upon pi square. Now this is the expression for, this is expression for time period of seconds pendulum. This is the expression for time period of seconds pendulum. Right? That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe my channel. If you like this my topics, please like and share this video with your friends. By subscribing, you will get all the videos. I'm trying to do all videos, all 9th standard videos this year, because I have already uploaded almost all chapters of 10th standard. But I got a request why I am not making more videos on 9th standard. So from now onwards, I am planning for more 9th standard videos, along with some 10th standard videos also, because that is also very important. Right? Thank you so much.